Ladies and gentlemen, we are in an unprecedented global health crisis, and I'd like to focus your thoughts on one part of this crisis, our seniors. Healthy aging of our seniors is a critical United Nations development goal, and this crisis has shown us how important it is to together reshape their outcomes. Think about my friend Dina. She's a vibrant community leader with economic buying power, but she lost her husband and she doesn't drive. She couldn't stay in her home, so her only option was to be institutionalized with bleak health outcomes. But life doesn't need to be like that for Dina and many others we know like Dina. My name is Sharon Crost, and I'm here to share an alternative aging solution. My business plan is to build capacity for seniors to live, age, and thrive on cross-generational community farms. Dina's life on the farm would be supportive, sustainable, and provide positive long-term opportunities with access to healthy organic food and an energetic farm community. As a longtime farm entrepreneur myself, I plan to leverage my network of forward-thinking farmers to build and optimize capacity, providing a lot of new fair trade opportunities for seniors like Dina. This health crisis has shown that the time to improve health outcomes is now. The time for scaling opportunities for seniors to live, age, and thrive on community farms is now. Thank you.